Do you know what the first license you need for starting an export business is? It's not a big factory license. It's not GST. It's something very simple yet powerful. The Import-Export Code, also called IEC. Without IEC, you cannot ship even a single product outside India. But here's the good news. Getting IEC is very cheap, easy and 100% online. In this video, I will give you a complete step-by-step guide on how to apply for your IEC, the documents you need, the cost and how long it takes. So, if you are serious about exports, stay with me till the end because this is the foundation of your business. You are watching Dream, Export and Grow with Saran Balachandran. If you follow this channel, you will learn how to start, grow and succeed in exports step by step. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Every week I share practical tips that can turn your business dreams into global exports. When I started my export journey, even I was confused. I thought it would take months and involve a lot of government running around. But when I applied, I realized it's one of the easiest government registrations in India. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how you can get it without agents, without wasting money. IEC stands for Import-Export Code. It's a 10-digit number issued by DGFT, Directorate General of Foreign Trade. This number is like your passport for international trade. With IEC, you can export goods legally from India, receive payments from foreign buyers, import goods from other countries, avail export benefits from the Indian government. Without IEC, you cannot do official exports from India. IEC is needed for individuals exporting even one shipment, also small businesses or startups exporting products, companies that want to grow internationally. The best part, you don't need a big office. Even if you are running from your home, you can apply for your IEC. You will need just a few simple documents. First one, PAN card, individual or company. Second one, Aadhaar card or voter ID or passport as identity proof. Third one, bank account, current account in your business or individual name. Fourth one, address proof, electricity bill, rent agreement or your office address would be enough. Fifth one, digital photo. That's it. No complex paperwork is needed. Now let me show you how you can apply online. Visit the official DGFT website, dgft.gov.in. Then go to Services, IEC Profile Management, apply for IEC. Register with your PAN number and mobile or email. Fill in details like business name, address, bank details. Upload your documents, PAN, Aadhaar, address proof, bank certificate, etc. Pay the fee, just 500 rupees only. Now submit the application. Within 2-3 working days, you'll get your IEC certificate by email in PDF format. No physical copy is issued anymore. It's all digital. The cost of applying for IEC is only 500 rupees. And the best part, once issued, IEC is valid for a lifetime. You don't need to renew it every year. Here are the mistakes most beginners make. First one is using agents unnecessarily. Some agents charge 3,000 to 5,000 for something you can do yourself in 30 minutes. Wrong bank details. Always use your current account, not savings account. Incorrect address proof. Make sure your documents have matching addresses. Be careful with these details or your application may get rejected. Once you have your IEC, congratulations, you are now officially an exporter. So the next steps are
First, you have to open your export account with banks like SBI, ICICI, or HDFC. Now, register on B2B websites like IndiaMart, Trade India, or Alibaba. Start contacting buyers and promoting your products. IEC is your ticket, and now it's time to board the plane. So that's how simple it is to apply for your IEC. No agents, no middlemen, just you and the DGFT website. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment below. Have you applied for your IEC yet, or are you planning to do it soon? You have been watching Dream, Export and Grow with Saran Balachandran. Remember, success in exports doesn't start with big money. It starts with small steps like applying for your IEC. Take action today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.